Right, okay, good afternoon folks. We're down in Stourport-on-Severn. This is a good place to start the vlog. We'll do the walk through here. We better get a move on as well because it's going to chuck it down and rain. David Rogers, Sam Ward Meteorite 1980. It's the last year that Sam Ward made the meteorites. We've got this one on the channel. What's Dave doing? Sticking his head out. Yeah, you can tell how dark it is, folks. It's still the middle of the afternoon and the lights are really shining, so let's just hope we don't get soaking wet on this walkthrough. I didn't even know Stourport had a carnival or a fair or anything, so I know they got Dante's Treasure Island, which is a static park. That's always worth a visit. Right, let's start walking slowly then. Few jeeves down here. It's a really nice meteorite, this. If you haven't seen it on the channel already, go and check out Charlton Terry's Energizer Meteorite. That's probably the quickest one out there, but he's cheated. He's got a different engine in it. It's also a different make. The one that he's got is Cadoxton Engineering, which was a company in South Wales. Ghost Train, Spencer Dobson. Now the track was done by Supergar, I do believe. I think it's a bit of a mishmash, this one. And the cars on it are certainly a lot older than 1964, put it that way. I would say those cars are probably 1940s. Do not spin the waltzers. And it's starting to spit with rain. Come on, folks, let's... If I get soaking wet, folks, do me a favour, give me a subscription. Subscribe to Funfair Audits. Channel's done pretty well lately. Oh.
Welcome. We have been expecting you.
Bloody rain. They said it was going to be dry today. So if I get any water on the lens, folks, can't be helped. Crazy jungle. Thomas Jones owns this one. Got a waltzer around the corner here. Fair trade waltzer. This one tours Wales a lot. That one belongs to Denzel Danter. Denzel Danter's number 1. Like I say, fair trade. That was manufactured in 2015. Couple of Jennings rides down here. Oh man, I'm going to get soaked here. Don't know if that's John Jennings or Craig Jennings. Built by Fairmat in 1992. Spinning round. Dodgems. Craig Jennings. I do believe that one was built by Adesco in 2006. Oh God, throwing it down. Let's go and stand under this tree and have a quick look at the have a look at this crazy train for you. Oh, bloody weather. Right, this crazy train's also owned by Craig Jennings. Let's just wait for the kids to get off and then we can have a better look at it. Right, okay. Not too sure on the make of this one. Oh, sorry about this, folks, but it's going to be a rather short vlog, I think, here, because it's, like I say, it's yeah, horrible. It's raining. But it's a bonus video. I wasn't expecting to be doing one today. Right. Teacups. Looks like you can spin these yourselves. Right, buddy, thanks. Oh, damn weather. Stanworth's Sizzler. PWS 1989. They got the right idea. I could do with an umbrella here. Stanworth, Stoke-on-Trent. Bunges. I think Nathan Dobson's done a runner. He's on this today instead of his waltzer. But I think he's done a runner to get out of the rain. I can't blame him. Ah. There's quite a lot of stalls and stuff, because I say it is the carnival. I missed the procession. Time was gridlocked, I couldn't get in. Do you know, I'm sure I can see something else in the distance. Oh, I know what that is. That's the fun fair at Treasure Island. I was going to say, I thought I'd missed some of this stuff off the fair here. I'm sure I hadn't.
Come on, boy, your tokens down to the next ride on the Swizzler. Buy your tokens now.
This one I've never seen before.
We're all ready if you'd like a ride. Come on, all ready now.
Speed Buzz, it belongs to Joe White, KMG.
The next ride, come on.
In 2008 that was built. Right, okay, I think we're gonna have to leave it there, folks, because we're getting all the equipment a bit wet here. I don't think I've missed anything though. Yeah, I think we're pretty much done and dusted there, folks. So unless something strange appears for me in the week next week, and actually I've got a bit more time next week. Not sure what I'm doing now. I have got Knutsford on the cards. Possibility of doing Oxford, but I know Oxford's a bit expensive. I might hang back on that one and do the one down in Abingdon. We'll play it by ear, we'll see what the weather's going to do. So until next time, folks, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. POVs, plenty of them to come up on the channel still. I think there's about another 25 videos waiting to go up. So keep your eyes peeled, we'll see you there.